A very good morning to one and all, and welcome back to your English elective classes. Okay, so dear students, as you know that we were doing elective English, and in elective English, I have already started the short story and the lesson number 1, that is I Sell My Dream. Okay, and earlier in my earlier video also I have already discussed about that how she used to sell her dream and what was happening exactly, and how did she get a job, and in that job she has nothing to do, she just have to interpret her dreams whatever she says. Okay, now the next paragraph, shall we continue? She did her job well and for a long time, above all during the war years when reality was more sinister than nightmare. Okay, तो शी डिड हर जॉब वेरी वेल एंड मतलब काफ़ी टाइम से तक उन्होंने शी वर्कड फॉर देम. ओके, एंड ओनली शी कुड डिसाइड एट ब्रेकफास्ट what each should do that day and how it should be done until her predictions became the sole authority in the house. Okay, so uske prediction was so much embedded in their mind, embedded as I told you, the firmly fixed, ke धीरे धीरे she took control of their mind, basically unintentionally, of course, कि वो लोग हर काम उससे पूछ के करते थे एंड फ्रॉम फ्रीडा से डेफिनेटली. सो वेदर दे शुड डू दिस और नॉट, वेदर they should go there or not, everything means. Okay, now the master of the house died at about the time I was in Vienna and had the elegance to leave her a part of his state on the condition that she continued dreaming for the family until her dream came to an end. So what is this line saying? She became a part of her family and a very dominating and deciding authority for that family. Okay, because everyone was asking her कि क्या करना है नहीं करना है, where to go where not to go, means एक dominating authority बन चुकी थी वो उसकी family का. Okay, now and had the elegance to leave her a part of his estate on the condition that she continued dreaming for the family until her dream came to an end. So this is what uh, Frida is talking, ki how she started living in that family and how the condition was continuing with her. Now I stayed in Vienna. Here the I means the author itself. Okay, I stayed in Vienna for the more than a month, sharing the statement circumstances of the other students while I waited for money that never arrived. So here you can see straightened circumstances. I will tell you what is the meaning of straighten. Straighten means as the master of so in the master of the family guide, उन्होंने फॉर फ्रीडा के लिए ही लेफ्ट आउट अपार्ट फॉर द प्रॉपर्टी एंड ओके, बट द कंडीशन वॉज जो उसकी फैमिली के लिए वो ड्रीम कंटिन्यू करेगी, देन ओनली शी विल कंटिन्यू विद दैट पार्ट. ओके, सो हियर इट्स टॉकिंग स्टेटमेंट मीन्स कि poverty, they did not have enough money. Okay, so she did not have enough money to survive, but they left the money for her. Okay, so here it is talking about in the very in the before the paragraph, if you will see how she used to guide and she got money for a property, a part of property has been fixed for her because the condition was there that she will continue her dreaming for their family only. Okay, now continue back to the author. तो जैसा कि इसमें कहा गया कि स्ट्रेटन मीन्स पॉवर्टी एंड दे डिड नॉट हैव इनफ मनी. This is we are talking what we are talking about the author. Okay, so he is saying that in Vienna students as well as himself, they did not have much money. What they have? Frau Frida unexpected and generous visits to the tavern. As I told you, tavern means a sort of restaurant and inn. Okay, visits to the tavern were like vistas in our poverty stricken regime. Now In other hand, Frau Frida was very well of women. Okay, so whenever she visited the tavern, she was very generous. It was like a festas. Festas means कि festival celebration type हो गया था उनके लिए whenever she used to visit. So what is this? What is she saying? That she used to basically spend generously for the other people in their tavern. Okay, सो बाकियों के लिए वेन एवर शी यूज़ टू विज़िट, तो बाकियों को के लिए उनको के लिए इट वॉज़ लाइक अ फेस्टिवल एंड बिकेम अदरवाइज दे डिड नॉट हैव मच मनी टू स्पेंड एंड वेन एवर शी केम it was all taken cares. Okay, nobody has to pay for that. It was like a festival for them, as I told you. Okay, now she whispered in my ear without conviction and permitted no delay. Here she is talking कि she was it was such a euphoria for her. Euphoria, you can see here it is written. Hope the words are clear. In a very euphoria, she whispered in my ear with a conviction that permitted no delay. Euphoria means excited state of mind. ओके, हैप्पी स्टेट ऑफ माइंड जिसको कह सकते हैं. आई होप कि यू पीपल आर राइटिंग डाउन द मीनिंग्स. एंड बियरी स्फेरिया मीन्स हो गया यहाँ पे शी वॉज इंटॉक्सिकेटेड, शी वॉज ड्रंक ड्यू टू अल्कोहल एंड दैट शी विस्पर्ड. ओके, नाउ I only came to tell you that I dreamt about you last night, she said. You must have right away and not come back to Vienna for 5 years. नाउ उन्होंने ऑथर के बारे में एक ड्रीम देखा. ओके, एंड शी ड्रीम्स कि और वो ऑथर को आके कहती है कि इन वियना आई हैव ड्रीम्ड अबाउट यू शी सेड कि सो ऑथर के कहती है कि आई ड्रीम्ड अबाउट यू एंड द इंटरप्रिटेशन मुझे मिली है उससे कंक्लूज़न से ये है कि आप वियना से चले जाओ एंड 5 years तक वापस मत आना. ओके, नाउ इनिशियली द ऑथर वॉज कन्फ्यूज कि अब देखते हैं क्या होता है. ठीक है, क्योंकि उसको ये कह दिया गया है कि शी डज नॉट हैव टू लिव इन वियना, शी जस्ट हैव टू गो फ्रॉम वियना फॉर द 5 years. Her conviction was so real that I boarded the last train to Rome that same night. So उन्होंने इतना सो उसको इतना जाएगा स्ट्रॉन्ग कन्विक्शन, उसको पता नहीं था कि कन्विक्शन मीन्स कि एबिलिटी टू कन्विंस समवन. मतलब फ्रॉ फ्रीडा को वो एबिलिटी थी कि शी कैन कन्विंस वेरी इजली टू द ऑथर ऑल्सो. तो उन्होंने जब ये कहा तो इतना स्ट्रांगली उनको लगा भी कि जब फ्रॉ फ्रीडा ने उनको बताया कि उन्होंने उस दिन ही एक बोर्डेड ले लिया ट्रेन से, जैसे कि आप लिखा है रूम. ठीक है, ही लेफ्ट वियना. ना यहाँ पे कैटास्ट्रॉफी जैसे कि तुम लोग देख सकते हो इन द नेक्स्ट वन इट इज़ रिटन. As for me, I was so influenced by what she said, the form, then on I considered myself a survivor of some catastrophe I never experienced. I still have not written Vienna. ओके, नाउ कैटास्ट्रॉफी का मतलब बिग डिज़ास्टर. तो वो क्या कह रही है कि उस रात जब मैं गया मुझे ऐसा लगा कि अननोइंगली कि जैसे मैंने कोई बहुत बड़ा डिज़ास्टर अवॉइड किया हो, कि अगर मैं वियना में रहता तो शायद मेरे साथ बहुत गलत हो जाता. ओके, ये ऑथर को लग रहा है क्योंकि ये तो उसका प्रेडिक्शन था जो फ्रॉ फ्रीडा ने ऑथर के लिए देखा था. एंड जब ये बात उसको बताती है तो ही फेल्ट कि इट वाज सच अ नाइस दैट आई हैव नॉट स्टेड इट, आई अवॉइड दिस डिजास्टर. इफ आई वुड हैव बीन इन फ्रॉम द लास्ट 5 years इन वियना, सो मे बी इट कुड बी अ ह्यूज लॉस फॉर मी. तो मेरे साथ बहुत ही सेड कि गलत हो जाता है ड्यू टू हर, and I avoided that present time. He is saying that I have still not returned to Vienna. Okay, and so this is for the uh, uh, I have I never experienced. I still have not returned Rihanna, and he never returned to Rihanna until she has not any respond for that. Okay, so here this is for the lecture, and now I will telling you that when this author meets फ्रॉफ्रिडा गेन एंड बाकी के लोग भी उसके साथ क्या होता है, तब क्या होता है जब वो उन लोगों के साथ रहना शुरू कर देती है, उन लोगों को क्या कन्वर्सेशन होते हैं, एंड वो सारी चीज़ें हम मे बी हो probably we will continue with the next lecture. So till then, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you are understanding all the words I have been writing down the side of the lecture, and brief and strong brief story of the lines of the chapter also you are getting, and so please do watch and keep watching, keep learning. Till then, thank you so much, and from the next I'll start from the next video. Thank you.